you look at Vice's history, we sent people into North Korea, we, went into Africa, we went into all these dangerous places. Work out the sources that you would aspire to work for, and then work out how they're telling their stories, how they're putting them together. And like I said, it's not just like sound up, VO, strap line, talking head 1, talking head 2. It's like, what is their reporting about? How are they asking the questions? Very good journalists have ways of like asking 3 tangential questions like a ninja, and then they've suddenly got an interview subject pinned. That's work out that stuff first, and then look, for students, I would take it small by going, like the midterms, there's so much going on. Go interview a local polling office or a polling office in your next state, or do both of it, and then compare and contrast the two. Like our primary shows on the US, it's definitely like domestic news on HBO, 7:30 every night for a US audience. But then we cover probably more international stories every night than any other news network. And I think our audience is interested in the international context. You look at the rise of the far right in Europe, for example, which we've covered quite a lot. There is a context in America, there is a context in Europe, and what are the links between those two contexts, and we can kind of cover those kind of things, Does that answer your question?
Yeah, perfectly. All right, well, it was nice meeting you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for giving me the time.